Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to write emails using Gemini AI in 2025. So this tutorial is quite fast, accurate, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So whether you are writing for work, school, or personal use, this tutorial is for you. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to go to gemini.google.com, and here you need to just access it with the help of your Gmail account. Now, once you are on this page, you will see this type of chat box in the bottom where you need to start writing something. Over here, you can give your prompt. For example, I gave this one, which is write a follow-up email to a client, thanking them for the meeting and summarizing the next steps. So you can even write anything of your choice. So once Gemini AI is going to give you the response, you can just ask for it to more follow-ups. Like, I want to make it more formal, so you can type it like this, make it more formal. You can also type the prompt that says keep it under 100 words or 200 words, or you can even just add a friendly closing line. So you can type this prompt over here. Basically, you need to provide more follow-ups, and this will help you customize the email to fit your style. Now, once Gemini AI has given you the responses, you need to copy it from here. So in order to copy, click on the more option, and from here you need to copy it. And now you need to just insert it directly. So here you can type help me write the bottom right hand inside message and click it. So you can use this in your email. So always do a quick read through to make sure that the messages actually fits your intent, and add any personal touches before sending it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.